Hello class, this is Mr. Lucero and we are going to continue with our video classes. Today we are going to work on page 82, 83, 84 and 85. Well, we're going to start our activities with an speaking task, prom night. So, my first question, what can you see in this picture? The title is Prom Night. Yes, of course, it's a graduation party, no? It's a graduation of those people, no? Two boys and two girls, and they look very happy. Perfect. Now let's see. Here, the topic is about prom night, okay? Natalie and Jude are talking about what to wear to a high school prom. Listen and complete the dialogue. Okay, listen. Our Natalie and Jude. So what do you have to do? Is to listen the audio and complete the dialogue. So pay attention, please. Now, 1, 2, 3.
Unit 5, Track 46. Speaking. Jude, what are you planning to wear to the prom? Well, I haven't made up my mind yet, you know. It's an occasion that I'll hopefully look back and always remember. Yeah, it asks for a very special outfit. After all, it's not an average celebration like birthdays or holiday seasons. It's our special day, but I don't want to feel uncomfortable or wishing I had chosen something different. What about a lacy black slip dress? Well, I personally don't like black. I think a floral dress is perfect for a summer or spring event. The dance will take place on the grass, so we must choose our shoes carefully. No stilettos. Maybe a wedge heel. Good idea! In short, a lightweight dress, not too casual, and comfortable clothes. Perfect.
Okay. Well, the audio finishes, so your activity is to fill in the blanks to complete the dialogue with the information that you listen to. I'm going to listen the audio once again. Maybe you can understand me. Jude, what are you planning to wear to the prom? Well, I haven't made up my mind yet. You know, it's an occasion that I helpfully look back and always remember. Yeah, it asks for a very special outfit. After all, it's not an average celebration like birthdays or holiday seasons. It's our special day, but I don't want to feel uncomfortable or wishing I had chosen something different. What about a lacy black slip dress? Well, I personally don't like black. I think a floral dress is perfect for summer or spring event. The dance will take place on the grass, so we must choose our shoes carefully. No stilettos. Maybe a wedge heel. Good idea. In short, I lightweight dress, not too casual, and comfortable clothes. Perfect. Well, I've read the audio, so what your activity is to complete, to complete the blanks, to fill in the blanks. After that, in class, you are going to have time for practicing. Some of you are going to read the article. Okay, so my advice for you, if you want to get ready for this activity, you can play the video many times so that you can practice. Let's continue. Under the picture, there is a box with functional language talking about outfits. What are you planning to wear? No, we're talking about clothes. No, what are you planning to wear? Oh, I'm planning to wear, I don't know, a jacket or a sweater. It depends, no? It's a personal opinion. I haven't made up my mind yet. No, it's another option. No, it's a special occasion. What about this or that? I personally don't like this or don't like that. No, could be about colors, could be about the kind of dress, could be pants or skirts, or it depends on girls, no, or jacket or sweater. I think, or maybe, no. So these functional languages are here. So practice, please. Our next step is a speaking task. Write a dialogue between you and a friend. Now, and here says step 1. Choose a special occasion to talk about some ideas. A wedding party, a rock concert, or a friend's birthday party. So you can choose one of them. Make notes about what to wear for the occasion or event. Number 2. Write the information down to discuss it with your partner. 3. In pairs, write your dialogue, follow the conversation about as a guide. Now, this is going to be the model of the conversation. Number 4, or step number 4, take turns practicing your dialogue. Now, the idea is to create a new one, okay? For example, I can start, hey, I don't know, let's see, for a student, hey, oh, let me see a name, let me think a name. Hey, Miley, what are you planning to wear to the prom? Well, I haven't made up my mind yet. You know, it's an important moment. I hopefully look back and always remember. Yeah, it asks for every special and you continue transforming this conversation. Okay? Yeah. So, this is on page 82. The idea is a conversation, no, or speaking activity prom night. Thank you so much. We're going to see in another video.